In addition, kindly know you're not only teachers but leaders of the school, as they are passionately do their arduous task with undying dedication, consistent commitment, and with untiring endeavor to attend to their respective duties and responsibilities. First and foremost, we have a leader who is a hardworking and dedicated head teacher in our English department. She guides the English teachers as she hones and harnesses their elegant potential to become effective and efficient educators. Please welcome Ma'am Maria Cristina TUMA-OB DORIMAN. He is currently focusing on his assignment as the head of the Curriculum Implementation Division, or CID, of our beloved school. He is tedious with his task and very responsive to the academic needs of the students. Class, let's welcome Sir OSWARD ACEBEDO of Science Department. On the other hand, our father figure inside the school campus because of his evident concern with regard to students' welfare and values. He is presently our School Governance and Operations Division Head, and at the same time, Department Head of Aralpan Department. He is very responsible family man and indeed well-loved by almost everyone in the campus. Give a round of applause to Sir Johnny Villaruel. She is quite noticeable of her love to educate the learners, active and dynamic to all her school-related activities, especially in the senior high school. Guys and girls, welcome our amiable Assistant Principal, Ma'am CECILIA BERGANTIN. Lastly, our overall head, the person we all look up to, as he is always very flexible and smart in running the entire school by administering DepEd-sanctioned activities. We are graced and blessed by his presence because we always are led into the right track during his watch. Class, our very own principal, Sir Warlito D. Rosarial.